How's it going, guys? Stanman12 here. Today we're going to do something a little different. Today is Christmas. Merry Christmas to everybody. And then look, check it out. So Santa brought my son Ryan a Mario Kart Hot Wheels setup with a pack of extra cars and even more cars. So let's open this thing up. Come on, man, open it up. Right.
We open it.
Counterparts. Okay.
Hey, that's the flag.
That's the flag. Hold on, man.
That's why you win.
And look, check it out, man. We got blue Yoshi up here. See? See? Check it out.
Blue Yoshi.
Blue Yoshi.
He drives?
Yeah, you see? See how fast he go? Alright guys, as you can see, I emptied out all the contents of the box and we're gonna start assembling it now. So first things first, we're gonna click these two together. Yeah, that's how I go, man. I'm reading the directions. Alright, so next. Alright, pass me the blue one. There we go. Yeah, that one. Yeah, this is the left one. Alright, so.
This one Yoshi jumps?
Yeah, that's where Yoshi jumps at. So pass me the red one.
That's why Mario jumps?
Yes. Alright. So we're good now. Also. Okay, so next we are going to add the flag. Blue flag to the left side on the blue side. If you want to. Okay, there we go. Then to the red side. Okay. Next, we are going to add the banner or the flag, if you will. Let's see here. What side does it go? Looks like it goes this way. Or it might go this side. Alright, Ryan. Next, pass me the small red piece. No, the small red one. Yeah, there you go. So we're gonna put these together. So. Slide this in here. Let's see here. Slide it upside down. Okay. All right. Pass me the other one. Okay. And then we're gonna put it together here. Same way. Slide it in. Just gonna slide that in. Okay. Alright, Ryan, pass me Bowser. Alright, thank you. And we're gonna connect him. Like so. Okay. Okay, good to go. Alright, Ryan, pass me the small red one. Thank you. Alright, so we're gonna add this here. So, see, Ryan, look. See how that goes together? Alright, so next we're going to add this one just like the other side. Okay. All right, Ryan, pass me the small red piece.
This one?
Yes. Thank you. And we're gonna add this one just like how we added the other one. So I'm gonna add it in here. Like so. Okay. Like so. And then that's complete. So next, all right, and we're gonna connect this one here, just like the other pieces. All right. All right, Ryan, pass me. I get it. Thank you. Okay, we're gonna slide it in like so. Move that out the way. And we're gonna connect it here. That side's done. And we're gonna connect this one here. I'm gonna connect this piece here. And, okay. All right, now it's time to add the boot to Bowser. Like so. Same thing on the other side. Same thing on the other side. Now we are complete. Check it out, guys. We have the Mario Kart Hot Wheels track set. Hold on 1 second. See if you can beat Bowser. Alright, go ahead. You got tired. Oh, you beat Bowser. Alright. Hey, Mario wins. Alright, go Ryan. Go Ryan.